Welcome to the world of floral decorations. Join me as I show you how to craft beautiful and elegant ribbon strawberry flowers and leaves in minutes. Let's get started. Hello everyone, hope all of you are well, and today we are going to make strawberry flower, the same strawberry flower with which I have decorated the Ramzan lantern. I had promised to make a tutorial of these flowers, so here it is, and the measurement of the petals are 1 into 2 centimeters. The petals are narrow at the lower end and wider and rounded at the upper end. A strawberry flower has 5 petals, so make 5 petals for one flower. Now we are going to make the center portion or pollen of the flower, and the measurements are 5 millimeter into 6 centimeters. For making the pollen of the ribbon, first of all burn the two ends of the ribbon and then start cutting it in narrow strips. But remember, don't cut the ribbon thoroughly. You have to leave a bit of ribbon so that you can sew it up. Firstly, sew the whole ribbon, and when that's done, pull the thread and give it a crimp. If you are new on my channel, I'm very happy to have you, or if you haven't subscribed yet, then consider subscribing, hit the bell icon so that you can have all the latest updates of my videos. Now put a fine line of glue on the ribbon, and here I am using UHU glue. You can use any other glue of your choice. After putting the glue, start rolling the ribbon, and when you are done with it, you are going to have a pollen, a beautiful center portion of the flower in your hand. Now show a flame to that pollen, and the flame would skewer all the frayed ends of the ribbon. We are going to sew the petals now, which we had already made, and we are not going to overlap the petals. We are going to sew them separately. When all the petals are sewn, then take a stitch at the end of last petal, pull the thread slightly, give it a crimp, and then give it a knot. When the flower is ready, then put a dot of hot glue in its center and stick the pollen that we have already made. See, your strawberry flower is ready. We are going to make strawberry leaves now, and I wanted the leaves to be equal in size and same in shape. That's why I have cut a stencil for it. Put the stencil on the ribbon and then cut the ribbon according to the shape of the stencil. The first half portion of your leaf is cut, and to make the other half portion of the leaf, turn the side of the stencil, put it on the ribbon, then cut the ribbon according to the stencil. Now give cuts in a slight slant at the edge of the leaf. Firstly, burn the straight side of the leaf, then start burning the edge where we had given cuts, and those cuts are going to take spiky shapes because of the flame, thus making it look like the real strawberry leaf. Do the same to the other side of the leaf we had cut. When both the sides are ready, then put a fine line of glue in the center of the leaf. Put a wire on that glue, then put the other portion of the leaf on that wire and glue and stick it up, and your leaf is ready. To give it a main vein, fold the leaf in half, then burn it. This way you are going to have a beautiful main vein. And to make the side veins, again fold the leaf in half in a slant and burn it. Make all the side veins like this. Your leaf is ready, your flower is ready. I wish you all a wonderful day. See you next time with a new project in a new video.